Okay, I believe I am live correctly this time. Hello, guys. This is Dr. Nancy Lee. Can you see me live? I believe I'm live. If you can see me live and hear me correctly on YouTube and LinkedIn, please comment on the chat and just say hi and tell me where you are from. Just, hey, I'm logging in from San Francisco, maybe 8 a.m. in San Francisco's darkening city. We're getting started in 1 minute. And guess what? I haven't been going live for a while because I just had my second baby. Now we're back live on YouTube and LinkedIn again. Let's see who else is here. Just say yes in the chat. Quick comment, yes, hi, just say hi and yes, and see if I can see you live or not. And tell me what's new with you guys. Haven't seen you live for 2 months. What's new with you guys? Say hi, and let's see who else is here. I see I'm live on YouTube. Let me confirm I'm live on LinkedIn or not. Let me do this. It should be live. Yes. Let me see who else is with us on LinkedIn. Cool. Yeah, say hi on the chat and comment on LinkedIn. Just say hi so I know who is here with me. And at the same time, why I believe this is good. All right, so I believe we are live on both platforms. Say hi, say hi. Yeah, I see lots of activities on YouTube. What's going on with LinkedIn today? I believe it's live here. Log in from this is Sindra, log in from India. Happy to meet you. Hello. What time is it in India right now? Cameron and New Orleans. Yeah. Cameron, New Orleans. What time in New Orleans? Same time zone, right? 11 a.m. EST, 11 a.m. local time. Let's see who else is there. Yeah, say hi on the chat. I believe people can comment on LinkedIn as well. Awesome. Okay, how exciting. I am back. Awesome. Cool. All right. So for people who join us, feel free to introduce yourself in the chat. What's your name? Where you from? What's your New Year's resolution? I would hear about your New Year's resolution. Okay, cool. And quick update. And who is Dr. Nancy Lee? What's new with me? This is Dr. Nancy Lee, a director of product and featured in Forbes. I've helped 100 people land their dream PM job offer in FAN companies, a unicorn startup, and continues to get promoted as product leader. Lots of you guys know me through YouTube. We're also growing our social channel on LinkedIn, like TikTok and Instagram, of course, and Chinese Red, which is like 小红书. So lots of you guys see me through many different channels. I'm very excited to come back because I just had a new baby. And then my second baby, my baby girl, very excited about it. So cool. Here is one the agenda for today, and I see camera 10 a.m. CST Central Time. So you're Central Time right now. I see. Okay, here's the agenda for today. Today we're gonna do live resume review. Okay, live resume include the following things. Usually we have people submit your resume live to my email address, or you send your resume earlier, send a request earlier to my team before this live. And because it's my first time coming back, we do not have you guys email my team. We always do it live today, so we'll make it fast. Okay, so here's what we plan to do. We are going to do live resume review. Let me share you my slides, and then you guys can email me your resume. Okay, share the screen. Slideshow mode. Okay, can you guys see my screen? Here's what we do right now. Perfect. Okay, live resume review. Everybody get your resume ready. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your resume significantly stand out and also identify why on earth you're not able to land an interview at all. Something's wrong with your resume. So that's why we provide free live resume review with all of you guys. Let me send you instructions so you're ready, send your resume for review and many other free resources we have early. Okay, so now number one thing. when you do free resume review before I go live, you send your resume and request saying, hey, I need free resume review. Send it to info@pmaccelerator.io. Send it to my team right here. Okay. After this, when I'm not live, you send it to my team, info@pmaccelerator.io. When I'm live right now, email me directly at nancy@drnancylee.com. Okay. Anybody who needs live free resume review, you can email me a resume at nancy@drnancylee.com. Okay, directly comment there, nancy@drnancylee.com. Okay, cool. Just email me your resume. The title should be resume, LinkedIn Live or YouTube Live, so I know where to pull your resume. Okay, your email title should be nancy@drnancylee.com. Email title, resume review, LinkedIn Live or YouTube Live, whatever live platform you're on. Okay, cool. Now, let me make sure that I'm able to see everybody at the same time. I can go through the rest of FAQ first before we get started. Wait 1 sec. Let me refresh. Okay, cool. I see lots of comment on YouTube and people on LinkedIn. I don't know why I cannot see comment on LinkedIn yet, but I should be able to see it. They say 28 people, 29 people on LinkedIn right now. So say hi on the chat on LinkedIn, just say hi so I know you're here and where you're from. And at the same time, please, everybody, you already received the instruction. Feel free to email me a resume. So Xavier, I got your resume. Perfect. Okay. And actually people are commenting on LinkedIn. Louis enjoyed, but I cannot see your comment on LinkedIn. Something's weird, okay? Something is weird. Comment. We're gonna fix LinkedIn later on. Something's weird on LinkedIn. But anyway, just say hi. Keep on saying hi on LinkedIn. Somehow couldn't see your messages, but I can see most of it. Okay, I have one person submit resume already, and so we can get started soon. So another quick so now, when I wait for people submitting a resume, let me do this. Let me go through the slides. Cool. All right, so take a screenshot, everybody. Put this email address, nancy@drnancylee.com. Let me do this. Let me put this, let me put my email address in the chat. Yeah, Joy, yes, I finally can see your comment right now. Yes, I put in the chat of both LinkedIn and YouTube with my email address. You can directly send me a resume right now. Jeff from YouTube, thank you for doing this. Yeah, email me a resume. Let me see what's wrong with your resume. And I also put my email address on LinkedIn as well. You guys can directly put here. Yes, Xavier, awesome, great. I see, well, finally LinkedIn is working right now, finally. Great, so let's do this. Yeah, send me a resume and let me, when I'm waiting for everybody to send me a resume, let me do screen. Am I still doing screen sharing? Yes. Am I sharing my screen? Let me confirm. Sorry, it's like weird stuff going on with YouTube and LinkedIn. Okay, cool. When I'm waiting for everybody to send me your resume, let me do quick slideshow and show you what we plan to cover today. Live resume review, send me a resume, show you how to improve it. And at the same time, I do love to share with you any inspiring stories because I love this. In the process of job hunting and even getting promoted as a product manager is quite important. You need to see inspiration, see how other people have done that so you can learn from other people as well. Okay, so this is actually our student Sam. Sam was a layoff PM and he was a program manager, product manager at Mozilla in the past. He was laid off in 2023. And this is inevitable because it's a shift in all the industries last year. But now the entire market is significantly much better right now. And also primary recruiting season is right now in March. All right. But in the past, he has no technical background. He just product manager with PM experience, but no technical background. But he wanted to become a senior AI product manager. Any kind of AI PM is his career path. He really loves it. But right now he has received 2 AI PM job offers. I want to share with you regarding his strategy. Number one, you must rebuild your confidence because himself, as a product manager who already had PM experience, after laid off, he wasn't able to land job for 3 months, okay, before he joined our program. So he really need to rebuild his confidence to really feel like he was capable of doing this, because with people with experience, something must be wrong with your interview skills or how you present your stories or your resume, many different things. Fun fact, Sam joined my YouTube live and LinkedIn live a year ago for me to review his resume, just like all of you guys. Yes. So rebuild your confidence, number one. And then if you want to break into AI space, you must learn how to use all the AI tools in the job market. In the market right now, it doesn't have the job market. Okay. For example, Sam used ChatGPT to learn how to code. Some basic stuff. You can just ask ChatGPT to code ABCD things. And then he run the code on Google Cloud. He literally doesn't know how to code, but he was using AI to create something that he can play with. And then whatever challenges he's facing, he was trying to solve the problem and by asking the right questions to ChatGPT. And then using the methodology, he was able to tell the stories of him using AI. And when people asking questions regarding, hey, what do you think the challenges building AI ML model? And he was able to tell the right and great answer because he gained some hands-on experience just by playing with ChatGPT. Okay. Sam is going to speak in our alumni panel by the end of this March. Okay. And we also have a few VIP ticket. People can join Sam to learn more about how he literally become AI PM just by playing with ChatGPT. Okay. All of you guys can make it happen as well. Okay. We have more upcoming training on the AI space as well. Okay. Just for the inspiration for everyone to continue to work on their career goals. This is exciting. Now, and also, quick reminder, everybody who is getting ready for your upcoming interviews, is extremely critical to use the historical interview questions database for your resume questions. And you can go to darkness.com/50fan to download your interview questions database, okay? And then there's also a place for you to do the free Zoom training with me. Take a screenshot, you can send me a resume right now. Okay, cool. All right, so now without further ado, and also everybody who is interested in our upcoming masterclass, go to this website, darknessd.com/masterclass to get more information for our upcoming masterclass. I believe we have masterclass tonight and tomorrow, multiple masterclass coming up. Okay, go to this website, darknessd.com/masterclass. Learn how to create a killer product portfolio in 2 weeks that will land you a PM job offer, even if you're laid off or have no experience. Okay, but now without further ado, let me review your resume. Cool. I have okay, let me bring up the resume 1 sec. Let me share my screen. Javier, I am reviewing your resume right now. Let me make sure I share the right screen. I have too many screens open right now. Okay. 1 sec. My baby cried. You know what? Let me... Here you go. Let me do one quick resume review. And I am going to feed my baby very quickly. I have a 2-month-old. I need to feed her very quickly. She just cried. Okay, cool. Here's what we're gonna do. Okay. So Xavier, you said the following. So here's a resume. You graduated a long time ago. Oh no, you're going to graduate in May. Great. Bachelor degree, business Power BI, extract insights, gather, analyze client data, technical reporting. Financial and KPI, this is better, concise and communication. Okay, here is what you need to work on. Okay, so for your latest 2 experience, the number one thing is you need to put all the PM keywords. There's some PM keywords such as key metrics KPI is something they like, okay? Extract insights, and insight for what? Analytics, identify trends. No, you talk about more data in terms of helping customers to improve certain things. For example, we can talk more regarding extract insights through quantitative analysis to understand the needs and desires of customers and propose product features, right? So when you extract insight, want to hear more regarding how it's related to product and the key metrics KPI, which is great. You can talk more regarding the key product metrics and KPI. To understand the customer segmentation, different things, right? You should link it back to product more directly instead of you have other operational strategy, which you don't need to hear. So all of these be killed. And then you add more things like KPI, what we like this as well. It just, you didn't link back to KPI. Looks like you've done lots of analytic stuff, but you didn't link back to what it means to product. All right, so that's the main thing you are missing. And I recommend you guys, when I need to feed my baby right now, okay? So when you are waiting for me, I recommend everybody to come here. Watch this video. I believe you guys are missing the PM keywords. This is number one thing most people are missing and you don't know how to write it. In this video, I gave you examples of PM keywords and how to write it and put it in different sentences, okay? So go to my YouTube channel and watch this video when I'm feeding my baby, okay? So I do need to feed my baby right now. Be back in, am I sharing anything? No? Okay, I will be back in 10 minutes. I need to feed my baby at the same time. Wait for me. I have a newborn. She's 2 months old. One sec. Maybe I share this video. Maybe it's working. Let me share this. Yeah, you guys can watch this video when feeding my baby. I'll be right back. But you never heard back from the hiring manager. It might be because you do not have the product manager resume keywords. Okay, be back. Hey guys, this is Dr. Nancy Lee, Director of Product. I help engineers and international professionals transition from worker bee to product managers and business managers. Today, we focus on product manager resume keywords. If you have watched my last video, I've already told you how to write a tailored product manager resume based on the right impacting story and how to package your prior experience to become a product manager. Today, we laser focus deep down into the product manager resume keywords. Hitting the keyword just like hitting the like button. So if you like this video, feel free to smash like button so that I can make more videos like this. Thank you so much. All right, so regarding the product manager keywords, let me ask you this question. Do you feel the same way? You apply for 100 jobs, but you never heard back from the hiring manager or recruiter. You're wondering what went wrong. If you feel the same way, comment down below saying that me too. If you have been to my live webinar, you know that I really enjoy engaging with my audience. So if you feel the same way as what I just described, comment down below saying that me too. As a hiring manager, I can tell you one of the top reasons you never heard back from the hiring manager was because product manager resume was looking for very different keyword compared with any other resumes out there. Today, I'm going to teach you the right keywords you should put on your resume and how to write about them and specific examples and why we need to write it that way. Okay, so first of all, regarding the keywords, there are 3 groups of keywords. Group 1 is product manager roles and responsibility related keywords. Group 2 are the technical keywords. Group 3 are the product unique keywords. I'm going to give you specific examples in each of the 3 buckets so that you can apply specifically to your own scenarios as well. In the first bucket, the most important keyword is MVP, minimum viable product. Minimum viable product is being used by product managers in many different scenarios. It's mainly for using the minimum amount of effort to validate your product ideas, get feedback from customers, and validate your value proposition of your product. And hopefully you're also able to attract a lot of early adopters so that you know you're on the right track.
And let me give you some very specific examples regarding what do we mean by minimum viable product. One of my favorite MVP is actually the Dropbox MVP. Dropbox, most people know nowadays, is the file sharing platform. You have one file on your computer, you can share with your friends' computer. But imagine this, 10 years ago, this like file sharing synchronization is like boring concept for you. How would you even tell your end user, validate with them, and let them understand the value of this product? And the CEO of Dropbox made something very smart. They made a 2-minute video that described what the future looks like with the specific file sharing functionality. And of course, they did some like quick synchronization, quick code to show them what the interface looks like. But it's all a video. And using this video, they're able to lock down fundings, make people understand the unique value proposition, the key concept of file sharing across multiple computers, devices, and platforms. And that's the beginning of Dropbox. The reason I really like to give you the specific examples was that they focus on using the minimum amount of effort. They didn't code, they didn't really do too much work to show them how to build the architecture among different filing systems. They filmed a 2-minute video. As you know that myself, I specialize in making the least amount of effort to use high efficiency methodology to help my students get a job as a product manager. That's why whoever is in the same track with me, like using the high efficiency, I totally like them. The second type of keyword is writing product requirements. So the purpose of writing product requirements is for product managers to get alignment with different stakeholders, engineering and sales marketing and different people together so that you're on the same page that what specific things you're making and why we are doing this. I made a specific videos in the past talking about how I transitioned from engineering into product management. And this is part of the video series talking about how people gain and become a product manager without product management background. You can check that video down here. Here, we don't talk that much about how we do transition, but I want to tell you is that in my prior experience as engineer, I was able to write lots of requirements, build systems diagrams, and this requirement writing experience so valuable to product managers. That's how one of my top 3 strategies for me to transition into product management as well. Hopefully you can do the same thing. And now let me share with you top 5 type of requirements people need to write. They are functionality requirements, performance requirements, usability requirements, supportability requirements, reliability requirements. Now let me give you some specific examples regarding how to write those requirements. And the first of all is the functionality requirement. The system shall count the number of parts passing each intersection. So this is a specific functionality requirement that people write as a product manager. Let me also give you another examples of performance requirements. The camera detection accuracy shall be the same or higher than 85%. So those are the examples of performance requirements and the functionality requirement I mentioned earlier. Hopefully you can apply the same methodology into current work and write about it on your resume as well. Those are the keywords. The third keyword is user story. As a product manager, we write user stories all the time, as you can imagine. The user story's purpose is that you write the features and the functionality of your product from the end user's perspective, so that other stakeholders, in this case, most likely engineers, is able to understand why they are doing this and what the final outcome their product need to achieve. We follow certain specific framework to write user story. Let me give you some examples. I would say, as a traffic engineer, I want to see the number of red light violation cars going through the intersections every hour, so that I'm able to collect the data and redesign the traffic light timing to reduce red light violation. If you want to see more examples of how to write user stories, feel free to comment in the link down below so that I'm able to make my video cater to your needs as well. The number 4 keywords is conducting the voice of customer interview. This is my favorite part of being a product manager and also the most critical part of all the product management roles and responsibilities. Part of the specific writing conducting customer interview is that we are able to hear the needs and the requirements and why and rationale, reasons why customer has this kind of pain point, how can we solve their problems, and you hear from customers I made a specific video that I interviewed the Google product managers to see how Google launched their product, how do they interview customers, what specific methodology they use. You should check our video here. And today I'm going to show you the high level why we need to write it. If you have the customer success experience or UI UX experience, that's a perfect fire experience that's so relevant to product management, because as a customer success manager, you probably talk to customers, learn the pain point, and provide the feedback to your product managers or engineering teams. That's something you have to write on your product manager resume as well. Hopefully, it's going to help you to land more jobs. And number 5 keyword is lead cross-functional team. As a product manager, we all know that we are people leaders. You're not just here to collect paychecks or want to become a manager. No, you're here to solve problems impacting the world. Majority of my students in the long run, they want to become a CEO of their own company. But right now, you're CEO of your own product. So therefore, being able to demonstrate your leadership potential is very critical on your product manager resume. And if you also feel like in the long run, you want to become the CEO of your own company, comment down below saying that me too, CEO. So specifically, if you're also trying to think about who you need to work with in a cross-functional team environment as a product manager, let me share with you. There are people who work with currently like engineers and sales and marketing, also other functions, other departments such as legal and like strategic planning department. But also see someone outside your company, such as like vendors or analysts, and all the cross-functional team experience you need to talk about in your resume as well. If you want to learn how to also get promotion and become a leader much faster, you can check out my last YouTube video about when I went live and answering questions about how to get promoted and become a director of product in 4 years as a minority woman. Now let's move on to the technical keywords. For the technical keywords, first of all, you do not need to have a technical background to become a product manager. I'm going to make a YouTube video talk about why and what type of technical background is required for the company. And if you want to check out the future videos, I'm going to put it down here what's available. And you should also let me know what specific examples you give so that I can put it in my future video referencing your specific experience. So put your specific questions down below about technical background. So if you do have some kind of technical experience, here's my recommendations. You need to write about the top 3 type of technical backgrounds and the keywords on your resume. Number 1, the groups of technical experience is related to cloud, software architecture. For example, if you apply for jobs in Amazon, you need to talk more about cloud, like API, SDK, and other stuff. And I may ask you to talking about like the funny part of the technical part. You can check it out down here. And on top of that, you should also think about any coding language you have. If you know how to code in JavaScript and C and any other languages, you should put them in your technical description of your resume. And on top of that, the third group is the tools you've used, such as Jira, or you've done wireframe using different tools or Trello. And all those tools are very relevant to product managers because we use the same tools when you become a product manager as well. So those 3 type of technical keywords need to show up on your resume. Now, another tip for all of you guys is that where to write it and when to write it. You can write in a section below as technical experience and talk about all the technical keywords I mentioned. You should also plug them in your experience when you work on specific products.
Okay, I'm back.
Talk about how you use the technical terms across the product as well. And number 3, finally, we talk about the product unique keywords that are related to the future job you're applying for. Let me give you some.
Okay, I am back. Hello, I'm back. Once let me turn on the right microphone. Select a microphone. Okay, cool. This should be working, right? Okay, all right. So I'm back. Thank you for waiting. So what happened? I just fed my baby. I have a newborn and she is 2 months old. So just fed my baby. So now let's continue our live resume review. Are you guys still there? Say hi in the chat. Are you guys still there? Yes, you can share Google Docs if you like to. Just email me your resume. I put the link, my email, in the live. 1 second. Let me pull up the resume email. Let me continue the resume review. Thank you for waiting and understanding, everybody. Okay, here's what we do. Let me bring up this one. Okay. If you're still there, just say hi in the chat so I know you're still there. Yeah, I took a break to feed my baby. Hopefully working. Thank you for waiting for me. And again, email me resume at nancy.nancy.com when live, when not live, email my team at info@pm@dial. Okay, these two. Okay, so now let's do this. All right. So heavier, I told you how to improve your resume and change. The key is you must change the keywords link back to the product and kill everything like operational statement, different things. Okay, so let me see leadership, professional development. Yeah, I think this is fine. If you were a product manager here, why put a bottom? I will move this higher. Even if you put it under leadership professional development, but this is looks like is this hackathon? I think hackathon also works related to PM. I move it higher and like I wouldn't even call this leadership professional development because it's PM, right? So I'll move it higher related to PM experience. Okay, now let me move on to next one. I'll pull up the next resume. Okay, there. Penny, let me review resume. Cameron, I got your resume. Let me read the names, okay? I got Joy, Cameron, and Kenny's resume. Okay, so let me do this and also see if, are you guys here or not? If, is everybody back? Let me confirm, is everybody back or not? And super excited. Hello. If you're back, just say hi in the chat so I know you're back. If you're back, say hi in the chat so I know you are back. Say hi in the chat so I know you're back. Okay. So, cool. Okay, so now let me review the next resume. Let me put it up. Joy. Okay, so let me review Joy's resume quickly. Right here. Perfect. Okay. So, the name product management operations, corporate lifecycle management is great. Product manager and let me review the whole thing first. What happened after 2023? Were you laid off or something? Joy, comment on the chat. Were you laid off since September 2023? Change management per team. I don't know. All the product manager. Yes. No, this resume wasn't impressive. If you already have so many years experience, like 2023, I have more than 10 years experience, but the way you wrote it is weird, especially you work for the same company for so long. Why it's not as good? 10 years or 7 years in one company, you only had this much. So for your 10 years experience, here's what we do. Okay, I will talk about your impact. Looks like there's some kind of impact. You're also missing PM keywords, which I showed you earlier. With those kind of impact, how did you do customer interviews, customer segmentation, design a go-to-market strategy? Yeah, 10 years or 7 years experience here is too little. Let's read too little. Okay, and now let's see your latest experience. Launch web-based, this job cross-functional team, this is great, CAM, cross user-centric design principle. Partner with engineering team, which is fine. That's good. I think you have PM keywords, but you're missing the like achievement. What do you do, for example, web-based internal portal? So being used by how many people? Is this 100% people use your internal portal within the company? If so, you let people know, right? So the impact is missing. let's change management, PRD development, okay, this is fine, but this one, the problem is the type of product wasn't very obvious. Cash app is a payment app. Is a payment app, you should make it clear. Change management and create change management, whatever product features for payment apps, right? So the entire resume needs to be rewritten. This resume sounds very weak for someone with over 10 years experience. Okay, make sense to you guys? Company rewritten, and go to the YouTube video I showed you earlier. That's give you examples, the type of language I will be written for that role. Okay, so Joy, yeah, company layoff. I know. Last year lots of layoff, but right now we are entering the primary recruiting season in March, which is right now, and you literally need to get ready and the schedule resume ready. Cameron, you're up. Let me see this. Let me bring up your resume. At the same time, let me see, all right, people here. Let me go to LinkedIn. So come on the chat if you are live on LinkedIn. Sometimes the LinkedIn messages was incorrect. Okay, it was kind of late. And same thing as YouTube, so I know you guys are live with me. Okay, cool. Now let me bring up Cameron's resume. Why I've heard this name Cameron multiple times before. Is the same resume be reviewed in the past? Let me see. Is that the director product? Great, cool. You're looking for new director job? Grew revenue for this much money. Grew gross new revenue by this much. Now the development of generative AI content, cool. Implement best practice, improving its impact. Great. For small one. Measuring productivity. Sure. Something's weird with this resume. Let me show you what's going on. Later on, let me finish reading this. No. I think the problem is when you talk about AI, you are also missing the technical keywords of AI. What kind of AI do you work on? Is it generative AI? Did you lead your engineering team to work on large language model? If so, you talk about large language model. Here, I just feel like your AI is very light. If you want to highlight your experience working on generative AI, you need to highlight even more than what you have. And the whole thing wasn't very clear. Mobile application 2C subscription analytics service. Is this your product? C2C SaaS product? And you didn't talk about what exactly the product is. Maybe the product is C2C subscription analytics services. Is this the product? So your product strength wasn't very obvious. That's a problem. You have all the keywords. That's no problem. It's like I'm just very confused about the strength of your product. If it's generative AI, you say more about large language processing or large language model and things like this. If this is a product, you should make it more specific. I think you have the PM keywords. People know you have like PM experience. The problem, again, is also what is the product you're working on? I'm not very clear. Driven prototyping, what kind of product? Product owner. There's no company name, which is also very weird. Is the same company? I don't even know. Maybe same company. What kind of product you work on? The product side is missing. Very confusing. I think the same company, just you don't tell me what kind of product is it you're working on. Let me show identifying solutions of so much cross identify. Yeah, this is fine. Same thing. Your type of product wasn't very obvious. The whole resume is missing. What is your areas of expertise as product manager? If you want to be a general product manager, feel free to do so. But looks like you're not general product manager. Sounds like if you're not general product manager, you need to be specific regarding what kind of product. That's a part we are missing here. Okay, so now let me go to the next one. Penny. Cool. Let me see your resume. Director position. Cool, cool, cool. PhD, MBA. This is great. This sounds amazing background. Let me see. Penny. Cool. Let me see. Oh, in Boston as well. Very cool. Oh, you went to MIT? Cool. Alumni. Co-founder. So you are you start your own company. You start two successful company, chief technical officer. Let me see. Cool. PhD in electrical engineering, your MIT, your science master. So let me see. Here is missing product strategy. For example, created 10-year product strategy. I made up stuff, okay? As example, created 10-year product strategy or roadmap that create the initiatives within the company or create a go-to-market strategy, different things, especially a co-founder, right? You must have done lots of strategies type of work. You're missing strategy words, go to GTM, go-to-market strategy, and product strategy, product initiative, all the strategy keywords and activities is missing. I am looking for strategies, not much strategy. Maybe somewhere later in the sentences, you really need to highlight strategy because your title is very big. Okay, so this one I like actually. It has lots of work you have done, strategies, initiatives, whatever, it's fine. Add more strategy content, create a product strategy, 10-year product roadmap, 10-year product strategy in collaboration with AWS, different leading to ABCD long-term impact. That's the thing you need to talk about. Strategies, because you're looking for director position and strategies is very important. That manage agile, and you're also missing coaching other people. If a direct level, managing, recruiting, and coaching other people to coaching junior PM is extremely important for director level. Okay, therefore you do more here. I need to film another video inspiration for my next YouTube video. What the differences between entry level, senior, director, VP level in job hunting process? What the hiring manager looking for? Well, I'm gonna film it this week. I think that's the main thing you're missing. Okay, clearly you have so much experience. You should go for director level. You also need to figure out what specific targeting you need to have, right? In terms of, do you want to specialize in sports company again? If not, you need to talk about other type of technology that can be used for other industries if you like to. Okay. Let me go to next one. Good job. Great to see another alumni. Cool. All right. So I believe I finished. I finished all the resume review today. Okay, that's all the resume I have received. Awesome, awesome. Great. Should I remove the bottom 2 bullet point to further expand the product and go in depth in product strategy? Yes, I will do that. I will spend more time. It's mainly missing strategy side. That's the main thing. Cool. Let me see. Yes, I finished all the questions, all the resume review. Good timing. Awesome. Okay, I am going to see all of you guys in my next live. Now moving forward, move all the live training to Monday, so you can all join me on Monday. Awesome. Okay, so quick. Oh, here is this. Oh, have you guys downloaded this? I forgot. Okay, anyone who joined me here, feel free to download this one right here, and I will put in the chat. Interview questions database, make sure to use it. Okay, we also have resume template, and you guys need to follow as well. I put a database here. Let me also put a template database in YouTube as well, so you guys can download and directly rewrite your resume. We write our resume in different style. Okay, I want you guys to follow. Okay, cool. All right, and am I putting here? Yeah, anybody who's interested in joining my upcoming masterclass, learn how to create a product portfolio, help you stand out from the competition, you should do the following. Go to drnancy.com/masterclass, or go to my homepage, drnancy.com, and the big button, join the masterclass. You can join there over there. Okay, cool. All right. All right, and make sure to comment, share, and like this video and free live training if you find it extremely useful. So make sure to comment and shares, and also tag other people who needs free resume review as well. This is Dr. Nancy Lee. I'm gonna see you in my next live training next Monday. Talk soon. Bye, guys.